Good morning, welcome to Lawrence County Municipal Court. I'm Tom Capper, Judge here, and we have reviews to do first for people who are in the midst of doing a court order. So this is a check on your progress and what you're ordered to do. The bailiff's going to call your name. When your name's called with the group, come up with the group to the right, stand there behind the table, whatever your file reads.
Darius Aldridge, Christopher Casella, Christopher Collins, Haley Early, Sierra Evans, Joshua Garbison, Christopher Hale.
Darius Aldridge is 2512. Sierra still has quite a bit of community service to do. And you did make a payment yesterday. Okay, let's get the community service done. Set your next hearing for August 29th. 9 o'clock. Christopher Casella.
Yes, sir.
24.
Thank you.
2500, 24/9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You did your community service and you've done some extra towards your fines.
Yeah. Actually, I got me a second job at Bob Evans down here at South Point, and I work at PCM Metal. That's 7 to 3:30, and I'm gonna use the Bob Evans thing to start paying on my ankle bracelet thing and that schooling I got to do. But I am going to do. I'm just been trying to save up and get it, get everything started and try to save up and stuff, because I was working at the pizza place and I was only getting 1 or 2 days a week, but they're working me 4 or 5 days a week down here at Bob Evans, so I should be getting my first check from there probably. I thought they said the 16th.
Do you have anything you can pay today on your fines?
No, not right now I don't. I was going to try to, they're going to let me have off every Saturday, and I'm going to start coming in working with community service.
Okay, that'll work. And you've done extra so far toward your fines, so
Okay.
we'll continue to work with you.
Thank you.
Do you know what your schedule's going to be? Does it matter if it's a Monday or Friday for your next hearing?
No, I'll just put in for it.
August 25th.
August 25th.
That's a Monday. 9 o'clock, August 25th.
August 25th.
Christopher Collins, 24/1976.
What time was it again?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay.
August 25th.
August 25th. All right, thank you.
So no EI and endangering. Community service done. You have to pay on your fines. And you successfully completed it. Southern Code, I've got the report on that. You've done 6 hours since 12 hours since the last hearing. Are you paying anything on your fines today?
I will this evening. I get paid today.
How much are you going to pay?
75 or 100.
I'll set you for August 25th also. August 25th, 9 o'clock is your next hearing.
25th.
Haley Early, 2480.
Thank you.
Got a report from OEP. So I take it this is a letter of completion, or?
Yeah, that's from her counselor at the Huntington office, so she's now only receiving medical services.
Okay. Well, the only thing you've got left is $5 and community service.
I have the 5.
Okay. All right, let's get the community service done and you'll be complete.
Okay.
August 22nd will be your next hearing, 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
Kyra Evans. Kyra Evans, 22,534.
Your Honor, she was just a community service this week.
Okay. She still has some left and fine pay. Okay, she has 7 days to get in before more boys due. Joshua Garbison, 24,746.
He's on the Zoom, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Garbison's on Zoom. And your fines are paid and community services completed. You were getting treatment. What's the name of the agency? I've got a report here. I don't see the name on it.
It's Burl, Phoenix Clinic, in Missouri. I've been attempting to go, was scheduled to meet with the counselor. She had quit the week prior, so I had to reschedule it, and since I traveled all over to work, I actually skipped my last appointment, but I do have another one set coming up in 2 weeks.
Okay.
I've also got an interlock installed in my car here in Missouri, so I'm trying to get the treatment taken care of.
Okay, let's give me a report as to the treatment at your next hearing. That's the only thing you've got left.
Yeah,
So what's best for you in terms of hearings?
whatever works.
Okay. I'll set it for August 25th. That's a Monday.
Okay, what time?
9 o'clock Eastern time.
Okay, thank you much.
You're welcome. Christopher Hale, 204087. Set RRS. It's a good screen, good report. And you're paying on your fine, and you still have community service you're working on. You got it,
Yeah, I paid $40 this morning,
okay?
and I think I have 4 days left. I paid it over online.
Okay. Okay, this is an older case. I'm gonna give you a quicker turnaround on your review here.
Okay.
August 15th,
Yes, sir.
9 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Amanda Hicks, Derek Lockhart, Andrew Carr, Ray Meredith, Brandon Miller, Raphael Sanders, Robert Packett, Jason Wilson.
Amanda Hicks is 12/18/04. Are you still going to Hawk?
Yes.
Do you have a report from them?
No, I
Okay.
do not.
All right, give me a
I
report,
will.
and you still have some fine to pay, looks like.
Well, I'm gonna pay 100 today.
Okay, still working?
Yes.
How's that going?
Good.
Same place?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. When did I set Haley? I set it at the same time. August 22nd will be your next hearing. 9 o'clock.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Derek Lockhart.
Yes, sir. I planned on having everything worked off, but I had a warrant that I had to take care of in Sauter County.
Case numbers are 24-313, 414, 417. Okay, you've got community service, you've done 12 hours since the last time, you still have some left to do. Are you paying anything on your fines today?
No, I got like $30 left. I'm going to end up working an extra day to pay it off.
I'll set you for August 22nd also. August 22nd, 9 o'clock. Andrew Carr, 24/7. Okay, Andrew's back at the Hughes Center. He was at Foundations. And just for my own peace of mind, I want you to do a urine screen today.
Yes,
Do
sir.
a urine screen and come back.
Yes, sir.
Ray Meredith, 2038. Ray Meredith is not appeared, so has things left to do to be a benchmark. Brandon Miller,
He's home soon, Your Honor.
23-184. Brandon Miller still has fines to do. Spanish Community Service. Mr. Miller, are you there?
I'm here.
Can you turn on your video?
One second.
Okay. Okay, and you did complete the driver intervention part too. Okay, so we're working on fines. Do you have a payment you're making today?
I did yesterday online.
Okay, it hasn't shown up yet. You've been making pretty consistent payments. Okay, August 15th will be your next hearing, 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Raphael Sanders, 24-620. Fines paid, community service still owed, not here. So it'll be a benchmark. Robert Tackett, 24-1182, is here. Okay, you did quite a bit of community service since your last hearing.
Sir?
And are you still at ARC?
Yes.
Do you have a report with you?
I have a letter from the case manager.
Is this my copy to keep?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right. What about your fines?
I'm gonna pay it in full today.
Okay. I'll set you for August 29th at your next hearing at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Jason Wilson, 2218. Jason Wilson. Jason Wilson has been called. He hasn't done anything on this case. He hasn't appeared. So there'll be a benchmark for failure to appear. Okay, we're going to start the new cases next, and this is the arraignment, what are called arraignment hearings. When your name is called, come up to the table to your right, stand at the table. I'll go over the charges with you. You don't have to say anything. You have a right to remain silent. If you choose to make statements, everything that we say here is being recorded. reported, so it could be used against you if you admit something about your case. You have a right to have an attorney. And if you want to talk about your case, it's better to talk to an attorney, because that's privilege. What you say can't be used against you. What you say in open court can't be used against you. You have a right to have an attorney appointed if you can't afford one. You have a right to bail and make the state of Ohio prove any charge beyond a reasonable doubt. If you enter a guilty plea or no contest plea, you're waiving your rights as a defendant. You should not waive your rights if you don't understand the proceedings, if you're confused, if you don't know what to do, if you want a trial, if you want a lawyer, enter a not guilty plea. Call the first case.
State of Ohio versus Elias Blankenship, case number TRC 25-1687, A and B.
And sir, are you Elias Blankenship?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Blankenship was alleged on July the 5th at 1:16 a.m. in Union Township. You were driving at a speed of 51 and a 35 zone. That's not a jail offense. Maximum penalty is $150 fine. And that you were operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, and that you took a test for your breath test for alcohol and tested 89 on the breath test. So that would be over the per se level. Per se level is 0.8. And what that means, if the state can show a valid test score above 0.8, there's a presumption that you're impaired. They have to show compliance with the rules. There's rules about calibrating the machine, that sort of thing. They have to show compliance with that to get the presumption of impairment. So as this would be your first conviction, and on a first conviction, the maximum you face is 6 months in jail, $1,075 fine, and a 3-year license suspension. That's the most the court can impose if you're found guilty. There is a minimum, so the least the court can give you if you're found guilty is 3 days in a treatment program, $375 fine, and a 6-month license suspension. Do you understand the charges filed against you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to these charges?
Not guilty.
You want a lawyer appointed to represent you.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a job?
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
I'm an HVAC intern at Marshall.
Are you getting paid for that position?
Yes.
How much are you paid?
10 an hour.
$10 an hour?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're eligible for court-appointed lawyer then. I'll appoint Mr. Stratton to represent you. He's in the courtroom. Are you not guilty plea? Mr. Blankenship?
Did you post a bond?
He can sign a signature bond. Doesn't look like he's been fingerprinted. I'm going to require him to go to jail and get fingerprinted.
Yes, sir.
It's a condition of bond also. Be $1,000 OR and fingerprint.
Do you have a copy of the charges?
So in terms of pre-trials, let's see what dates we're looking at.
Yeah, I'll need a copy of it. Or I'll just take the file. I'll just take the file.
The 25th of July or after would work for a pre-trial.
25th is fine, Your Honor.
Okay. July 25 will be the next hearing. And that'll be at 10 a.m. July 25th for pre-trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
May I have a court's file?
Sure.
State of Ohio versus Damian Newcomb, case number TRC 24-874, A, B, and C.
And sir, you're Damian Newcomb,
Yes, sir.
and you had a review hearing on June 16th of this year,
Yes, sir.
and you missed that hearing?
Yes, sir. I started a new job and I got a new place. I've been moving and I lost my thing. I thought it was this month.
Okay. So you didn't get arrested on the warrant?
No, sir.
You came in on your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you've paid your fines off.
I did community service Tuesday too, but I guess it wasn't enough. So I thought I only had 1 day left.
Well, I don't think that's been updated, so that could have taken care of it. Let's see what else your judgment entry required. Do you know if that's correct, you did community service this week?
Vince was supposed to call up here.
Oh, it looks like, and you did the 3-day jail instead of going to the driver intervention program.
Where did you do the community
In
service?
Arlington.
Oh,
Yeah, I do not have proof of that.
yeah, that hadn't made its way here yet. Okay, so I'll withdraw the warrant since you did come in on your own. I'm going to give you another review hearing, and if that, all you've got left then is that community service to do. If that comes in, then you'll be in the clear and you won't have to come back. So you just need to check to make sure that happens.
Alrighty, sir. Should I call Leanne and see if she needs to fax it up?
Yes,
Alrighty, sir.
that's the person in our municipal that you
Yeah.
dealt with, I'm assuming. Okay, and you are working, what's
Yeah.
your work schedule?
I work Monday through Friday, but I can call off either day.
Okay. I'll set it for August 29th. If that gets filed with the court before then, which it should, then you don't have to come back.
Alrighty, sir.
August 29th at 9 o'clock, cancel the warrant.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Reuben A. Mitchell, case number TRC 13-3933 A and B, CRA 13-1159.
Okay, this is a case that was set for Monday for review. Looks like we weren't here then. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
You have an explanation?
I guess the holiday kind of threw me off. I tried to call in and I Googled it and it said you guys were closed, so I thought you was closed, but maybe when I got off of work, I get off at 6 in the morning, so I probably Googled it too early and it stated you guys was closed. And when I called in, I may have called in like 7:30, it said you were closed, so I called the next day, Tuesday, and they told me I actually missed my court date. I needed to come in Friday.
Okay, and you did make a payment on your funds and your community services completed. No warrant had actually been issued yet. We usually wait 7 days. So I'll cancel the warrant since you came in today. Set your next, still have quite a bit left on funds and costs. I'll set your next hearing August 15th, August 15th.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day, man.
You too. 9 o'clock, August 15th.
State of Ohio versus Richard Sloan, case number CRB 14-630.
All right, Richard Sloan is here today. Mr. Sowers got after you, I guess, and sent me a text about it.
Yes, sir. I went to OBP, but I stayed in there for a few weeks. I think I missed one here while I was in there.
He's asked to be released from the bond. Okay, I'll release him from bond. Is there anything you can pay on your funds?
I intend to start doing community service anyway. I
Okay.
got on fentanyl there. I messed things up. I'm off of it now.
Okay, I'll set your next hearing for August 15th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
State of Ohio versus Ellis Smith, case number TRD 25-385, CRB 2452.
And you're Ellis Smith?
Yes, sir.
Well, we've got a driving under a suspended license, and let's $25,385, and then you had a theft offense for your Jack Community Service and fines to pay. You did make a payment yesterday. What about, what's going on with your driver's license?
Your Honor, I don't know, there's something going on out of Wayne County. I'm trying to get over there. They can't tell me nothing. I got to go over and see Cerrito or whatever over there.
Yeah, mayor's court or?
Yeah, I think it's who I've been calling. I've been trying to get information. They spend them over a motorcycle endorsement or something. I don't know what they're...
Are you asking for more time then, or what?
if it's available. I know it's been a while, Your Honor, so...
Yeah, it looks like it was back in June, May or June of 22.
22, I think it was this year.
Well, I'm looking at, maybe there's another one, I'm looking at what's on your driving records now. So I think maybe we just need to go ahead and get it over with, it looks like there's still, that's not the only one. We've got other issues on here. Let me look at your report. Okay, it says vehicle, this is what the officer wrote, vehicle had expired plate, so that's a legitimate reason to stop you. Then you checked your license and it was suspended. On US 52.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anything else you want to tell me about it?
No, Your Honor, if we can get it over with if you want, that's fine.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay. I'll put a $100 fine, court costs. And set review hearings for you on both matters for August 22nd. 9 o'clock, August 22nd.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Richard Akers, case number TRC 25-1629 A and B.
All right, you're Richard Akers.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Akers, the state's election on July 4th at 7:33 a.m. in Perry Township. You were operating a vehicle under the influence of either alcohol or drugs, or a combination that you refused to take tests. So it alleged to be your first offense, so the maximum penalty is 6 months in jail, $1,075 fine, 3-year license suspension. The minimum penalty is 3 days in treatment, $375 fine, 6 months license suspension. You're also charged with failure to control. Looks like it was a one-vehicle accident involved. And that's a minor misdemeanor, maximum penalty is $150 fine. You understand these charges?
Yep.
You understand your rights?
Yep.
How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Yeah. Okay. Are you working wrong?
No, I'm on Social Security, sir.
I'll appoint Mr. Smith, Roger Smith, and you should give those documents you got there, I'll give them to you tomorrow. He's here, so we'll get him in the court.
Okay.
Mr. Smith.
Yes, sir.
Richard Akers, he has a offense, ODI, with an alleged refusal, which he's disputing. He's got some medical records on him to give you to look at concerning that issue. Since he appeared on his own, he can sign a $1,500 signature bond.
Thank you, Judge.
And I'm setting pre-trials July 25th or after.
I'm here the 28th
Okay?
or the first
28th, fine?
July 28th will be the next hearing. The pre-trial at 10 o'clock, July 28th.
Will he need that attorney, Your Honor?
And he will have to go to the jail with fingerprints, condition of bond.
You're free to leave.
Okay, that finishes the arraignments we have. We'll start the pre-trial.
State of Ohio versus Spencer Johnson, case number CRA 25166.
The Waters case. This is one we discussed and changed, I believe, with the prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would, pursuant to that, we would ask to amend that charge to a misdemeanor of the same section.
So this be an M1, instead of an F5.
Yes, Your Honor.
How does Mr. Johnson plead to the amended charge?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Is that correct, Mr. Johnson?
Yes.
Do you have anything you want to tell me about it?
No.
Okay. I'll impose a $150 fine, or you pay the court costs, 15 days in jail. I'll suspend 4, give you credit for 11 days you've already served. So there'll be probation of 2 years, level 5, which is non-reporting, except you'll have a rehearing on January the 16th.
Your Honor, he's going to go ahead and pay the fine and court costs before he leaves today.
Oh, okay, if he does that, then I'll terminate the probation.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
See the clerk.
We'll do that now, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Connie or Candy Burnside, case number CRA 25358. Mr. Stratton, okay.
Connie Burnside, also, Connie Burnside. Mr. Stratton's case is set for, hearing actually, I think.
Yeah, Your Honor.
It is an F4.
Yeah, it's possession, Your Honor. She's here.
Connie Burnside,
Did you say Connie Burnside?
K-A-N-I.
Oh, yes. He's here.
Okay.
I thought he was here.
Well, we'll recall him down the courtroom.
Okay.
State of Ohio versus Holly K. Douglas, case number CRA 25263, CRA 25264.
Your Honor, when you were saying that name, it just wasn't registering with me.
Allie Douglas is here, except for Humphrey Charles, Mr. Stratton. So,
Good morning. How are you?
good, very good.
I'm doing good.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes. Good, thank you.
Good.
Okay, it's good report. And you are working?
Yes.
Okay.
Just continue on, Your Honor. I think that once she completes this, hopefully that'll result in a dismissal of these charges.
Okay. first part of August. What's your schedule in August, Mr. Strickland?
Your Honor, I am not available the 4th, 11th, and 18th.
Let's do the 8th, August the 8th.
That'll work.
Okay, good start. Keep it up.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Good.
State of Ohio versus Caleb J. Langdon, case number CRB 25251. Caleb Langdon.
It's Mr. Stratton's case, pretrial.
My approach.
Yes.
Are you not done the parenting class yet?
Next week.
Next
Will be
week?
my last one.
Okay, great. Your Honor, he'll be done with the parenting class next week. I think that was the big thing that we were looking at him completing.
What's the state's position on this?
We want him to continue on and finish his treatment. I checked with Children's Services today to see the status of anything that they might have pending, and they closed the case previously with the understanding that he was in treatment. So we're satisfied with that part of it. We just want him to go ahead and, I didn't get a chance to see the report. I'm not a very fast reader, though, is the only problem.
Catch up?
As long as he's in good standing?
Yes,
Okay,
very
so we
much
just
so.
want him to complete his program.
Keep it on a Friday, is that better?
On a Friday, yes. Yes, sir.
And did you say you were available the 15th?
The 15th of August?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Okay, August 15th. Be the next game. Hopefully we can resolve.
Thank you so
that.
much. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
State of Ohio versus Sharon Meadows, case number CRB 25374.
And there's a cross filing on this too. Marcus Folks.
Yes, I'm here. State of Ohio versus Marcus Fultz, case number CRB 25375. I'm here. Okay.
It's Mr. Smith's case, Mr. Stratton's representing Ms. Meadows.
Your Honor, prosecution has agreed that if there's no problems for 90 days, that they're going to dismiss both charges.
On one payment of court costs, Judge.
One payment of court costs.
And do we have a case we're going to assign that to? The court cost?
Mr. Fultz, can you pay court costs? They will dismiss your case upon payment of one court cost. Can you pay that in 90 days?
Yeah.
When we come back? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sign it to Mr. Fultz' case, please.
So that's going to be October the 10th?
I'm actually not here that first week of 2 weeks of October, Judge. But if it's a dismissal, I could jump on Zoom, I guess, if I had to. But
No, we can make it the 17th,
yes, I'm here the 17th.
October 17th, Mr. Stratton.
Yes, that's fine, Your Honor.
All right, next hearing is October 17th. Be dismissed. Then, if there's no further problems, and costs are paid by Mr. Falk.
Do you require an appearance, Your Honor?
No appearance required.
No appearance required.
If all those things happen,
Just make
Would
sure he pays
the
it.
cost be 150?
should be.
No problems.
That's
I will
fair.
overcome them.
All like the $25 application, so $175. I tell you, Marcus, check with the clerk, but I think it's going to be $175. You pay that in the 90 days, then we'll get the case dismissed. No further problems.
Yes, sir.
You're good, Sharon.
Okay, that's all.
Roger.
State of Ohio versus Amber Mills, case number CRB 23621, CRB 23566.
Stratton's case.
I don't know.
Yes, yes, let's ask about that. Yeah. Don't you like it? I'm sorry, that's bad joke. I apologize. Just trying to make it a little bit less stressful. Yeah, a little less stressful. Yeah, so-
Mr. Mills, is that hometown?
Yes.
Big screens. Positive report.
Your Honor, it looks like she's doing well. I'd like to continue with that. She does have an ankle monitor off. I think it might be, would ask the court to remove that. I think it might be time to do that.
I have a job interview in Ashland on Monday, and I can't go because of this.
State take any position on it?
I know there might be,
She has an ankle monitor. State take any position on whether that should stay or be removed?
We are in favor of whatever the counseling agency and the court thinks should happen.
Your Honor, I know she's only been with us for a few weeks, and I know that was a rough pass. I hate to make a recommendation and something happened, but if you think that it would be okay, then...
Well, I've been wrong before. I think the last time I removed ankle monitor, the guy bolted as soon as I took it off. And he'd been in there longer than she had.
I will not be doing that. I have to stay close by. I have a son, so.
Well, you know,
In
nobody
town.
ever tells me, Judge, to shake that.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
But they just do it.
No.
The thing with Amber though is she may leave treatment. She's not gonna leave Lawrence County.
right.
She always comes back. It's like a homing pigeon. She never leaves. She'll leave for a while, but she'll come back here. So we'll get you eventually.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Not
I've
like you're
learned
gonna move
that.
to California or something.
No, it's not worth it anymore. I'm just ready to get this all over with.
Okay, I'll order ankle monitor removed.
Thank you.
Don't make me look bad.
I will not, sir.
And August the 8th for the next hearing, Mr. Stratton, I think you're here then.
Yeah, I think that was a good date, Your Honor.
August the 8th, for your next hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State of Ohio versus Brandon Tommy, case number CRB 24-4, CRA 24-191.
This is Mr. Stratton's case.
Yeah, I think she's just staying outside with the baby, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to do the same with what I did with Andrew. I'm going to get screened today for my own satisfaction.
Okay.
All right, so he'll get a urine screen done.
State of Ohio versus Jared Meredith, case number CRB 2462, CRB 22920, CRB 2236A and B, CRB 22263, TRC 2206.
Mr. Stratton's case set for pre-trial.
Yeah, Your Honor, he has apparently left treatment, but he also has new charges that you do not have. So they're not filed yet, so.
From something that happened in treatment or?
No, so, I don't know, maybe.
Nothing happened.
Oh,
He just
okay.
left us.
Yeah, no, I didn't think it was treatment, but. Oh, it was different. Actually, I believe they have their new charges prior to these charges.
Okay,
If that makes sense.
all right, he's got several files. The bench warrants issued for failure to appear today.
Thank you.
Somebody said it was a special.
State of Ohio versus Charles Nance, case number CRB 25-331, CRB 23-386, CRB 25-291, CRB 25-37, CRB 19-267.
Judge, I was provided a copy of the DVD this morning. I need to get my client in the office to look at that. We can come back relatively soon, August 1st, if that's not a terrible date.
Did you say August 1st?
Yes, that's
Okay, that
favorable.
works. August 1st will be the next hearing of Mr. Nance on all cases before the court.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, just for the record, he has done community service. We've done 8 hours, I believe, since his last.
August 7th. It's in here too. I sent all the cases on his first time.
You got it.
Let's see.
Thanks.
This was it all for August 1st.
State of Ohio versus Shauna Short, case number CRB 2582. Shauna Short.
Mr. Smith's case at the pre-trial.
Just come back when it's all. Huh? I said that last time? Let's go to the tape.
I'll go to my home. That's right.
I said, say my password is about
Said that last time, I was using this time, but that's what I said last time, I said we were supposed to this time. Okay.
you said.
Well, Judge, this is a case that I spoke with the prosecutor. I think at this point, she's going to be ongoing services with OVP, that there will be a dismissal and the fire will be returned to the grandfather. He's not interested in pursuing the charge.
The last time we were here on June the 20th, Ms. Short did not have a report from OVP, and we wanted to have one for today, just to make sure she was still in treatment. Is that right? Am I right?
You're still in treatment?
Yes.
And anyways, she's brought a report today. And she says she's going to continue in treatment. So I think, and as far as the gun that was used that belonged to her grandfather, and we would be okay with that gun being released back to him. And if the court's satisfied that she's complying with her treatment and it's going to continue on, we'd be okay with going ahead and dismissing the charges today.
Okay, and who is the grandfather?
Your grandfather's name?
Oh, Richard Connor.
Richard
Connor?
Connor. I take care of him.
C-O-N-N-E-R?
Yes.
Okay, the state's willing to nolly the charges. The weapon that was confiscated will be returned to Richard Connor. It's according to the affidavit, Denali, D-E-N-A-L-I, .38, all caps, ACP. And the numeral sign, K, capital K, 15020. So you would need to get a copy of that judgment if you take it to the sheriff's office.
I'll make sure she gets that judgment. Thank you.
So there's a request to dismiss it without cost, Mr. Haley?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so no court cost to be dismissed. Gun returned to the grandfather.
Thank you, Judge.
State of Ohio versus Amy Van Zandt, case number TRC 25830.
She had car trouble. I hope is that her? Amy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, hang on just a second. We're just making sure you were online.
And this is set for a pre-trial.
It is, Judge, I received the drug test results this morning. She's not here to go over them. If we could come back in a couple weeks. The 28th of July or the 1st of August are both.
Let's make it August 1st.
I can do that.
August 1st will be the next hearing, and you want her to be here in person.
In person, Judge. And Amy, I'll get you in the office before August 1st. We'll go over these test results and talk in my office.
Okay, sounds great. I appreciate you all.
All right.
10 o'clock, August 1st.
10 o'clock, August 1st. Put that on your phone.
10 a.m. August 1st. Thank you.
All right. I'll be in touch.
Appreciate it.
State of Ohio versus Ethan Anderson, case number CRA 24706. Ethan Anderson.
Ethan Anderson is Mr. Tyler Smith's case. Ethan Anderson.
Your Honor, we just got him from the jail from Ironton Municipal and was not informed of this court date up here. I'll make a phone call and get him up here if you would like.
That's fine, if he's compliant. I'd order that he comply with our municipal orders on treatment.
Yes, sir. He's doing well in the program, compliant with all of their recommendations.
Okay.
I believe the last time we were here, he was still in
jail,
because he had a hearing coming up in Ironton. I believe he had to serve, so I wasn't aware that whether he got out and went to a new, because he was at Bethesda the first time and left, and then he served, so.
When do you, let's say it 2 or 3 weeks,
That's fine.
what's your availability? August 1st? or
August 1st will be fine, Your Honor.
August 1st for pretrial on review.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Austin Hawthorne, that's number CRB 2357, CRB 2358, CRA 2357, CRB 2843.
Mr. Morford's case. Your Honor. Was at the council this morning.
Mr. Hawthorne was placed in custody and is bonded out because he didn't give a urine screen last time. He has approached me today and we're trying to get a urine screen off of him. We've not been able to get one yet.
Okay, we'll recall it later.
State of Ohio versus Robert E. Gensley, case number CRB 23-324, CRA 21-345, CRB 21-346, CRB 21-222.
This is Mr. Morpher's case, I believe.
Yes, Judge.
We still have 23-324 still unresolved. There's other cases where he's got sentences that he's be working on.
My house manager sent the judge email with my property right here. Okay, your house manager. Your Honor, the house manager at Newness of Life was supposed to have sent you by email a progress report.
I haven't seen anything. I mean, we've got older stuff, but I don't have anything new.
Is that a copy of it?
I've got one May 27th, that's the last one I've got.
17. Judge, I have a letter dated 7/10 on his tablet, if you care to read it from the tablet.
Okay,
He told me he emailed it to you, so maybe he didn't.
take a look at it. It says you're going to be graduating June 17th, so that's already happened. So is that the wrong date?
It might be the wrong date. He had another typo in there too. He had to change it before and resend it to me.
Yeah, it says graduates June 17th, and it's dated July 10th. The one case that's still pending is an assault involving Christina Burson. I don't know how the state wants to handle that. It is, looks like somebody she had, there was a relationship there from the affidavit. Ex-boyfriend, I think is what she says.
Well, sometime in the distant past, the victim was stated that she was satisfied for the defendant to get treatment. That was back in, I guess, 2023.
Well, we just need a letter, and then we get that one taken care of, we get a letter of completion. So it says you completed it, but it's obviously the wrong date.
Yeah, he got the wrong date on there.
So let's come back again, and hopefully we'll have something saying you completed, and you'll still have to work on the stuff you've got. You still have bonds. And court costs. On your old cases, and that's it. There's no community service.
I got money. I've been paying them.
Okay.
It's just a lot.
So, are you still actively seeing the people at Newness of Life?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. So let's make it a month then to get it resolved and get us a letter of completion. somewhere mid-August, Mr. Morford, what's your schedule?
The 15th, Judge, the 22nd, 29th, 25th.
15th, August 15th will be the next thing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you, Your Honor. You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Tony Brees, case number CRA 25398.
All right, this is our Rule 4 to Delaware County. Like I said, did he post the bond? Yeah, he posted the bond. There's nothing in the file on the bond. He was ordered to, he posted the bond to turn himself in before today's day. Are we sure he's not in jail?
Tony Brees, he wasn't given to me as being in jail, Your Honor, but I never got a full jail because of the complications that happened.
Okay, we'll check on it, recall later in the docket.
State of Ohio versus Malachi McComas. Your Honor, this is set for arraignment.
Your Honor, if I may, Delaware County will become a big Mr. Brees up.
Okay, so
Just notify the jail.
his case here can be dismissed. The 25-398 be dismissed as he was picked up by Delaware County.
State of Ohio versus Malachi McComas. Malachi McComas.
25-17, Malachi Thomas. This looks like an arraignment.
Yes, sir.
Malachi Thomas was summoned.
Your Honor, I represent Malachi McComas in Portsmouth Municipal Court. I've been in constant communication with him. I was not aware of these charges. I will try to get him into court. I actually will text him right now. That's such a unique name that I assume it's the same person, so.
Yeah, it's a 3009 Walnut Street, Portsmouth.
Yep, that's him, yep.
And it's a possession of a drug use instrument.
Yeah. I'm not sure where he is right now, but I'll text him right now, and maybe we can do it Friday, maybe, or Monday. See if I can get him into court on Monday.
According to what I have here, he was summoned to be here today at 9.
Okay.
So he's got 7 days to get in for more voice.
All right, I'll text him right now.
State of Ohio versus Melissa LeGrand, case number CRA 24513, CRB 24462.
Morphin's case. That's a good report, says she's making progress, dealing with things. That's okay. She's already entered the plea, but we had delayed sentencing while she was going to treatment. Is it time to do sentencing again? What's the state want to proceed?
We're okay with that. One of the things that we wanted to make sure of was restitution, which is kind of sizable.
Do you have a figure for that?
Yeah, I think Jasmine, I need to figure out.
Yeah, we had this.
I know.
Is it on?
It's somewhere in here.
Well, it was all paid to each charge, let's see. So
We do have.
it's all paid, well, what is it?
Yes, we think we have.
If you just put the last somehow this is one of the missing. So on this case number, the restitution goes to the landlord, if you remember, because this was a rental. And here's the figures. We got broken down on all of this. Okay, you can see what you take off the paperclip, because these are all different.
We do have. Jasmine has it figured out and I don't.
So here, on this case number.
You want us to go
it's
ahead and
that
talk
amount.
about that, Your Honor?
If you're ready, Mr. Morford, you ready to do that?
Yes, Your Honor.
See, on this case number, it's this amount that goes to me. Because this was that house, this was a rental, which is that 2, 4.
So, in 24 CRB 462.
This goes with that. That goes with that.
Okay.
That's her estimate.
There is $2,457 that is owed to Ellen Parsons.
What's the name, Ellen?
Ellen,
Ellen.
E-L-L-E-N Parsons. She's the owner of this property. And do we have an address for her?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay. 8080? All right.
Slowly but surely.
I have an address for her. It's 18080. 18080. State Route 243 in Chesapeake. What's the next one?
What, is there an agreement as to kind of restitution and what it's for, or are we gonna?
I don't have any reason to question Mr. Hill's figures, Judge.
Okay.
So on these case numbers,
She's indicated to me that she would make payments on, although keep in mind, she's only working part-time at Pizza Hut, and it's not going to be sizable.
so Teddy Stanley, this is his restitution.
Okay. On 24 CRA 513, the victim is Teddy Stanley, T-E-D-D-I-E, Stanley. And the amount of restitution is $2,733.85. Do we have an address for Teddy Stanley?
It should be, let's
I'll look for Teddy Stanley's address.
Do you have anything to say? Go ahead.
it's his estimates.
I thought that's what we was going to do. It's okay.
Okay, so Teddy Stanley's address is 18083 State Route 243 in Chesapeake. 18063.
83.
I'm sorry, 18083.
Must be neighbors to the
Yes.
person. And that's on case number 513, 24513.
Yes, Your Honor. And then,
DNA incrimination, please do those first.
and then 24 CRA 515 and 24 CRB 514B.
The victim's church.
Church of Christ, and that is in Chesapeake. And I don't have a street address, but
That person over, he's like a whatever church.
and there's a $500 deductible on that one.
And that's for both cases?
Yes. Is that it?
Yep. That's it.
Thankfully, that's it.
It was so confusing getting it all together. Sorry.
Is that 500?
Just one 500.
500, okay.
Okay, so we're ready to complete sentencing then, Mr. Morton?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe so.
Is there anything you or Ms. LeGrand wish to say?
Judge, I would just ask you to take note of her progress through hometown, and she is trying, she is establishing her life. She's gainfully employed, has a place of her own now, and is returning to sober life.
Okay, that is commendable. And I don't want to minimize that, I appreciate that. And I always, I think I have a reputation trying to help people that have substance use issues. But my philosophy is you still have to pay for whatever you did. It's no excuse that you were under the influence or had substance use issues if you cause damage to someone or violate the law. You still have to take care of that, make restitution, make amends for whatever you did. So that's part of the process of getting clean and sober. Take care of the damage you caused during the time of your addiction. So this is part of the process. So, all right, Ms. LeGrand, congratulations on doing well. And I want to discourage you from continuing to work. The restitutions are going to be part of what you need to do as your process of recovery. Anything you want to say?
No, sir.
Okay, on 513, which is the vandalism involving Teddy Stanley, I'll impose a $200 fine, which I'll suspend as long as you complete treatment. Order you to pay court costs, 30 days in jail, all suspended. Restitution to Teddy Stanley amount of $2,733.80. Is it 84 or 85 cents? 85 is what I got.
85.
Okay, and level 4 probation for 2 years. Complete treatment at hometown recovery will be part of the sentence. Set our first review hearing August 29th at 9 a.m.
Sorry, August
29th. 515 and 514, we can kind of do together. This is there was a resisting arrest. What do you want to do with that? That was the A case on 514.
My understanding was she pled guilty to that back on November 25th. Oh, okay, as far as the sentence, we don't take any position. We're happy that she's gone through this lengthy transformation and that she's gotten herself in the right direction. So we'd be okay with the suspended jail sentence.
Okay, so I'll do the same thing. $200 fine, suspended on the conditions you finish your treatment. I'll suspend even the court costs on that because they're rose at the same time. So no court costs, 30 days in jail suspended, complete treatment at hometown insurance. Same review date, August 29th. The B case was the one involving the church again, so $200 fine suspended, complete treatment. There will be restitution to Chesapeake Church of Christ for $500. It's the deductible on their insurance policy. Same review hearing date, August 29th at 9 o'clock.
Level 4?
Yeah. Same probation. And 24,462.
$62.
462. Some criminal damage and $200 fine suspended on completing treatment. There will be costs on this because it's separate. Restitution. And 30 days in jail suspended. Suspended, restitution to Ellen Parsons, E-L-L-E-N Parsons, P-A-R-S-O-N-S, amount of $2,457. Okay, she'll need to meet with Mr. Major in probation, and then she's free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Alicia Connor, case number CRB 25327A and B.
Mr. Morford?
Judge, I asked that this be added to the docket today. I believe that I'm may have a conflict. If not, I'm in an uneasy spot. After I returned to the office the day you appointed me to Ms. Connor, I learned that she is the mother of Jesse Messo's son. Jesse Messo is the husband of the complainant in this case, Your Honor. And I don't feel comfortable. I don't think I should be representing her and Jesse Mezzo.
Is there some connection with him, or
Pardon?
what's the connection with is Jesse Mezzo's the problem, or?
No, he is the father. He has children with Miss Connor.
I'm not seeing what's the conflict?
Well, I have represented Mr. Mezzo in domestic proceedings with this lady and also criminal proceedings.
He's married to the victim in this case, and he was present. He would be a witness in this case.
Okay. Actually, my records were that Mr. Polk was appointed to represent Ms. Connor. Have you had any conversation with J.P. Holt?
No, I wasn't aware of that.
Your Honor, I think you might have intended to do that initially, and then Mr. Holt said he couldn't. That's just my memory. I may be wrong.
All right, well, Mr. Stratton.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'll approve your entry then, and does the state have any objection to this? Or the entry's
No,
not signed?
no, Your Honor. I guess we're set for the 21st.
So I'm going to put down courtroom approval by Mr. Hill.
When is this set?
There was a pretrial set for the 21st.
Okay.
Are you good?
Well, could we move that to the 25th? That'd be fine. Okay.
We're okay with that.
Okay, July 25th will be the pretrial. Mr. Stratton will be the attorney now.
All right, move that hallway up to speak.
So you will be joining the court's file.
Yes, Your Honor. Oh, I got it right here.
State of Ohio versus Zachary Ross, case number TRC 251704, CRB 25419. Zachary Ross.
All right, Zachary Ross, this is set for arraignment. He was summoned to be in court today. It's on an ODI and other charges. He has a Chesapeake address. The case is issued for his arrest back to the OSP. It's their citation.
State of Ohio recalls Rainey Tawney and Andrew Carr.
Mr. Stratton
Everything good? Good.
Things.
Well, you can check both.
Well, there's some residue there, Your Honor. Okay.
No, it doesn't look like he knows that.
She went to detox for
Yes.
days.
But you,
Yeah.
So, I would just maybe bring her back next week, end of the week, and we'll take a look at the screen again. If you're okay with that?
I mean, I was tested positive for all the same things when I left Foundations. So I have the drug test, you know what I mean? I ain't done nothing, Your Honor.
Your Honor, at TCC, she could also take screens that show
My
maybe
levels.
levels.
You can,
Has she,
you know what I mean?
I want her screened every day.
okay,
All right.
that's fine.
Is that doable?
Absolutely. Whatever you want, Your Honor.
And what I'm looking for, and I'm not seeing really, is repentance. Repentance is where you're going the wrong direction and you say, I'm sorry, I'm going the wrong direction. I'm going to turn around and go the right direction.
That's why I went to Foundations, because I was
I
struggling.
don't see any acceptance of responsibility.
Okay.
And I'm just saying this is my observation. There's so much at stake here. Not just for you, there's so many people that are tied in with what you two are doing. You have to, if you're going to be successful, if you're going to get in recovery and stay in recovery, you have to accept responsibility for the things you've done wrong in the past and repent of them, which means I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm going to turn around and go a different direction. I pledge I'm going a different direction, not just how things happen. I need to see a redoubling of your effort and your motivation. I'm not seeing that yet.
Yes, Your Honor, if I could speak, I feel like, I know I messed up, man, and I know what repentance is. It's like to turn a 160-degree angle from something and not turn back toward it. And that's why I feel like I'm doing whatever I gotta do to get back to where we was. Not where we was, but further than where we was. Because I want to reach 2 years sobriety, and I want to reach 3 years sobriety, because I've had a year, I've had another year, and I've had 16 months. You know? And I want to be back in with my daughter and my wife. You know?
That's what I want for you too. Rainey?
I mean, I feel like sometimes, I mean, I feel like, I know I messed up. I mean, there's nothing I could say other than that, other than to show it, you know what I mean? I went to Foundations because I felt like I know I was struggling. I was wanting to leave, you know what I mean? Mentally obsessing with it, you know what I'm saying? But since I've left there, I felt 100% better. I do. So all I can say is that my actions will align with my words. All I need is time.
That's it. Time's going to tell. That's for sure. But the consequences of your failure is not just for you, and I think you know that. Those little lives, they're impacted, not just courageous, but other people that are impacted by what you do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to see you on the 28th.
Your Honor, can we do that's that Monday, can we do either that Friday or the next Friday?
Okay, well, let me change it. 21st?
21st and 28th, I have trials both those days, Your Honor. It's been a summer of trials. Any of those Fridays would be good.
Can't do the 25th.
Okay. Maybe we can do the,
August 1st.
yes.
But I want to be notified of the least mess up by the counseling center.
100%.
Yes, Your Honor.
I want you to do good. I want you to go on, but you got to work at it. And I mean, really work at it, not just lip service. So let's see what happens on August 1st.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State of Ohio versus Michael T. Davis, case number CRA 25347 A and B, CRB 25348 A and B.
All right, Mr. Davis is here. You said you were going to hire an attorney. Is that all right?
I never did get to. I didn't find the means to, the money.
Is he at OVP? Or?
He has completed and now he is going to our outpatient office in Louisa.
Okay. So you're not working?
No. Not as of now.
Considered for a court-appointed attorney?
If that's possible, I mean, I guess.
You don't have any income, you're eligible for a court-appointed attorney. You have no income?
No, that was, I got, like a $2,000 check through, workers' comp, that's all I got.
Every month?
Every month, yeah.
You have people dependent on that check you have to split it with?
Well, I mean, yeah.
Who else?
I've got a kid that
Okay, well, you're eligible then. All right, said Tyler Smith coming in.
I don't believe he's taking appointments, Your
Well,
Honor.
that's what I was gonna ask. Okay, which more for them? I'll appoint Mr. Smith, Roger Smith, I'll appoint you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now where's he going now?
To the OVP outpatient in Louisa, Kentucky.
Okay. we've got some felonies here. Is this something the state's willing to keep here or send on to arraignment?
Your Honor, as long as Mr. Davis continues to attend to his treatment as it's set up by OVP and does good and makes progress, we're willing to keep the case here and maybe even look at a dismissal of the charges later on if he's sufficiently completes the program. So we're hoping that that happens.
Okay.
Yeah, we're on board with it, yes.
Mid-August for the next hearing?
Be fine, Judge. Let me pull my calendar up. I'm here the 15th or the 8th.
Let's do the 15th.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State of Ohio versus Village Jack Barnett, case number CRA 25289, A and B.
And staff for preliminary hearing, Mr. Smith is the attorney.
Yes, Judge. Judge, there was an offer made this morning that I need a little bit more time to talk to my client about. I anticipate we're going to resolve the case. We just can't do it this morning until I've had a chance to relay the offer. I'm here 28th of July, the 1st of August. Fourth of August, whatever's best for the court.
28th is fine.
Okay.
July 28th will be the next hearing. Preliminary hearing.
Your Honor, we're ready to call. We got some of the cases ready. Prisoners. State of Ohio versus Kennedy Bowles II, case number CRA 25412, CRB 24744.
You did say Joe Bowles right now.
Joe Bowles, yes. All right, you're Joe Bowles. Yes, sir. You got a couple things before the court. The newest thing is a warrant from Pike County, which is in Waverly, on a M1 possession of drugs charge. That court's saying they've got a warrant for you. It looks like there's also a motion to revoke probation filed in that court. So you have a right to have a hearing here to make sure you are the Joe Bowles II of 105 Bowman Street, Ironton, that's being sought by that court, and if I should make you go there. And the other thing that's pending is you had a conviction in this court, November the 18th of 2024, on obstructing official business. You had a fine, court costs, and a review hearing was set for May 23rd, and so you didn't show up, and you haven't paid anything on your fines and costs.
I've been in a recent bank with the.
So I take it he has been in the reasons you're here today.
We did have him in our care, Your Honor. We got him from Project Bridge.
Okay.
But we're unaware of his court hearing in this court we believe that it might have happened after we had already checked the docket, so that might have been a mistake on our part, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, he had two warrants. He had a warrant out of this court and warrant out of court up in Pike County too, so.
We were not aware of Pike County Court, Your Honor.
Y'all gave me 10 days last time, they never show up, and not show up.
Well, so what's gonna have to happen if somebody needs to can you all get in touch with that court and see if they agree with him staying in treatment? If not, we'll have to go up here and take care of this.
Yes, Your Honor, I can make a call very soon, as long as I can get verbal permission from Mr. Bowles. I can do that, Your Honor.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna continue. I would order him to stay at Mindy Reed State, well, he's incarcerated, I guess he got picked up. So let's see if we can find out today, so they release their warrant, otherwise we'll have to stay in jail. So.
I'll go make the call right now, Your Honor.
It's the county court, Pike County Court. I'm gonna write this down, I got a phone number for him.
Yes.
740-947-4003. His case number is 18442.
I'll go make this call.
Recall that, see if you can get in touch with them, see what they want to do.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll recall after that's happened.
State of Ohio versus Taylor Bryan, case number CRB 23-112, CRB 20-112.
And ma'am, you're Taylor Bryan. Ms. Bryan, you've got 23-112 was a conviction on theft offense. You had a review hearing on April the 11th of this year, / you failed to appear. 21-12 case number was a disorderly conduct. You did most of it, but you still had a small amount of fine left, $61. And it was set the same day. It's April 11th of this year. So you didn't show up for either one of them. Looks like you got picked up on the warrant. Do you have any other warrants, other courts? When did you get picked up on the warrant? I'm sorry. When? 3 days? Do you admit or deny you missed these hearings? Do you have an explanation for missing? A good explanation. Okay. Well, what do you think was going to happen if you don't show up? So something happens the day of the hearing, I can't get there, and so you don't come. I don't understand the thinking like it's not going to go away. It's going to get worse if you don't address it. So you wound up going to jail. Well, you've got 22 hours of community service left to do, and you got a total of $466 left in fines and court costs. You can work it, yeah. But, I mean, to work it, you gotta show up. You gotta do it. You can't, it's not gonna happen if you don't show up. You still living in South Point? Okay, well, you're still here. You're still in Lawrence County. You want to continue to live in Lawrence County? You want to continue to live here without having something over your shoulder all the time? You got to watch out for it? You got to take care of this stuff then. Because it, I mean, well, let's see. You You were at RRS too for treatment, right? What happened with that?
I moved, and I mean, I just quit going. And I was still living on the phone, but, messed it up.
Okay, let's have you do a urine screen today. I know you've been in jail for 3 days, let's still see. For some people, it lasts for weeks, the remnants, but let's see what happens today. I want you to do a urine screen. Now I'll be back out after you do a urine screen.
State of Ohio versus Joseph Rollins, case number CRA 25395, CRB 25396.
Courtroom.
Yes. Morning. You're going to enter.
Yes.
So what do you want to do? Okay. All right, this case will be recalled. We're going to let Mr. Finley speak with his client, and then we'll recall him. And go to the back. There's an attorney room back there.
State of Ohio versus Kiefer Wilson, case number CRB 25416, A, B, and C.
Kiefer Wilson.
Okay, so Kiefer Wilson, you already have notice. Because it's already set for 90 day on August.
Okay, this is the new charge.
No, there's already protection orders, we don't need to. It's charge for violation, and then domestic violation.
Sir, are you Kiefer Wilson?
Yes, sir. August 1st.
Mr. Wilson, let me go over your rights with you first. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to say anything. You have a right to have an attorney, to have one appointed. You can't afford one. You have a right to bail, make the states prove these charges beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand those things? Yes, sir. You got 3 charges. 25416A is a domestic violence charge. It alleges that on July the 7th in Union Township, you knowingly caused or tried to cause physical harm to Brooklyn Badgett, and that she's either a member of your family or lives in your household. So that makes it domestic violence. Maximum penalty is 6 months in jail, $1,000 fine. 416B alleges that on a different day, March the 9th of 2025 in Union Township, you violated the term of a protection order. That's a first-degree misdemeanor, maximum penalty 6 months in jail, $1,000 fine. 416C is possession of drug paraphernalia. That charge alleges July 7th through the 9th of this year in Union Township, you were in possession of drug paraphernalia, being a straw with drug residue. It's a fourth-degree misdemeanor, maximum penalty 30 days in jail, $250 fine. Do you understand these 3 charges? How do you plead to these charges? You want a lawyer appointed?
Your Honor, I represent Mr.
Kiefer Wilson.
Yes, that should be.
Rob says no.
You have case number, right?
I talked to her yesterday.
These case numbers, this was 416, 25, 416. Okay. So it's still pending?
25, 162.
Yes, when is it?
August the 1st.
August 1st.
August 1st.
He was ordered to get an assessment with OVP. I don't know if that's happened.
Got the assessment, I've been into the payment.
Your Honor, I just reached out to his counselor, and he said that he has not seen him since May 28th, I believe. Let me double check the date. Yeah, 5/28/25 was the last time he attended.
Okay. What's the state's position on bond?
Well, Your Honor, I'm sure it's already been discussed that he had charges pending already on a 90-day continuance.
And he's not compliant with the bond on that.
Yeah, so we need to take a different direction on this. Our request is for a $10,000 cash or surety bond.
I'll set bond at 10,000, cash or surety. He does make that the conditions of the other bond with regard to treatment still remain in effect. You'll have to go to treatment. Stratton will be the attorney. So when you want to come back for pre-trial on this?
It's
Okay.
The other cases were set for August the 1st. We'd like to have those moved up with.
Well, what's your availability, Mr. Stratton? I know you were.
The 21st and 28th for this month, are 2 dates I cannot do.
Okay. Well, we can set it next Friday. July the 18th on for all the cases that Mr. Wilson has. Will be set for pre-trial. 10 o'clock, 10,000 cash and surety bonds. Next Friday, the 18th. Okay, we're going to come back, do some of these cases in the courtroom, then we'll go back to the jail inmates.
State of Ohio versus Automates Clark, case number TRC 25707 A, B, and C, CRA 25210.
Mr. Smith's case. Is that the end of judgment? Okay, that's a good report. This was a urine screen. Do we have results?
I received it this morning, Judge, so we should be able to come to some resolution at the next hearing on that case.
Which should occur when, Mr.
Do you want to come back in roughly 30 days, or?
Well, what we've got available, basically the 25th or after.
The 8th or 15th of August, or I can do the 4th of August.
Fourth's good.
4th.
August 4th.
And then I'll discuss the results with her. We'll be able to hopefully resolve that OBI case in the next hearing.
the 20 a.m. pretrial August 4th.
State of Ohio versus Tara Curd, case number CRA 25332.
Can I approach you?
Yes. It's heard that Bethesda. It's a good report. So at least not this time then.
Judge, I'm here the 15th of August.
August 15th will be the next hearing. Did I take the monitor off yet?
It's still on, Judge.
Is there a recommendation on it from Bethesda?
I would probably go until the 15th. She's not even 30 days in yet, so just
okay.
just a little extra accountability.
Look at it next year.
State of Ohio versus Rebecca Hamlin, case number CRA 25168.
Mr. Smith's case, she's RRS.
She has an assessment on the 16th. She's telling me there was some confusion whether it was the 7th or 9th. Dara, she says she's ironed that out. And what time do you go, the 16th?
I go the 16th at 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m. for her
Which
assessment.
is this Wednesday.
Great.
She has to go get fingerprinted off.
Yes, I've already done that. I done that last Monday.
All right.
I could do the 28th or 1st, Judge.
June 1st.
August 1st. Yeah, make sure you keep that appointment.
Oh,
See
yes.
how you're doing on August 1st. August 1st at 10 a.m.
10 a.m.?
10 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah, just make sure you keep that appointment. You're good. We'll see you then.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
State
Appreciate
of
it.
Ohio versus Aisha Napier, case number CRB 24354. Mr. Morford's case. It's for expungement.
Have you talked with Mr. Morgan? Okay, I'll send him a message. We'll recall your case. He's not here, so I don't know where he is.
Okay.
We'll recall when he comes back.
So you'll just send a notice in the mail or?
No.
Or no, just today? Okay, all right.
We're trying to call him back here, so hopefully he's not too
Thank
far
you.
away.
State of Ohio versus Charles E. Holly, case number CRB 25383, CRB 25377, CRB 25368.
Oh, I was going to get this water from, so I gotta get, pass me over, if we can get some
You won't have any problem going down there. Your Honor, we, there's a menacing charge, a new menacing charge from 610. Your Honor, we'll waive reading of the rights and a plea of not guilty to a new charge of M1 menacing.
It's, we need to amend, it should be marked as aggravated menacing.
Okay. Any objection to adding aggravated to the list? All the language is correct, rather than the name.
It's just a typo. No objection to that.
Right, be amended to that effect, and not guilty plea is entered. And there's a pretrial on another case today.
There is.
2 other cases. What's the state's position on bond for the new charge?
We're not opposed to the bond that's currently set.
It's an OR, so just had him sign a new OR of $2,000. Is there any kind of protection order?
Actually, the protection order there was one issue previously with her, the alleged victim on it. There was a little bit of confusion of who the victims were, and so there's already one with her name on it, although it's a different case number now.
That's fine.
So I don't know.
Is this a new incident or just arose out of the same?
Same incident.
Okay. All right, so you have to stay away from Kayla Cossin, C-O-S-S-I-N. Do you understand that? Don't go around her, don't contact her. I'm sorry. C-O-S-S-I-N. Kayla.
You need to go out of town, right? He needs to go on call. Should we go to the judge or you will be able to do that? You okay? Okay with that?
Your Honor, up here we just need to set this for another pretrial.
What dates would you prefer?
Yeah, 25th is probably that date's probably pretty full, so maybe.
Let me check. I don't think
Okay.
it's not. July 25th is a good day.
Let's do that.
July 25th will be the next hearing
Okay, there we go.
on everything.
You have surgery out of town, right? Is that it? No, I'm going down and get some down connection time to come and do it. Okay.
Okay. All right, he said it's fine. He said it's fine for you to go out of town. All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
All right.
State of Ohio versus Gregory S. Henry, case number CRB 25322.
This is Mr. Stratton's case set for pretrial.
Your Honor, I don't believe the alleged victim is present.
Julie Smith here. We didn't subpoena her or request her presence today. This is the first pretrial on this new charge, I believe.
Yes.
We made an offer to resolve it today.
Yeah, the offer on the table, Your Honor, was to plead to the charge. I'm not so sure whether we'll probably need to set up for another pretrial and have the state subpoena the victim, alleged victim here.
Okay.
Yeah, June 13th. But then
How long
it got set for another
to make
pretrial
that
for
happen?
9/11.
2 or 3 weeks?
And I left her a voicemail to be here today. She never, yeah, but she didn't call me or she's not here. So let's subpoena her.
August 4th, or you go?
That's that Monday, Your Honor. That's that day.
The 8th?
The 8th.
August 8th?
August 8th. All right, good to go, man.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio recalls Joseph Rollins, back in holding, case number CRA 25395. CRB 25-396.
In this case,
Judge, we're set for preliminary hearing today, obviously. I've talked to Mr. Hill, I've spoke to my client about this in exchange for the state recommending a recognizance bond. My client's going to waive the preliminary hearing here today. I've explained to him he has a right to that preliminary hearing, explained to him what his rights are, what the state's obligations are with respect to their burden of proof today. He understands that, and he's prepared to enter knowingly and voluntarily, intelligently waiver on this.
is that correct, Mr. Rollins?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions of me before you do this?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. The case is going to be, I'm going to set your bond, so you're going to get out on a signature bond of $25,000. You just got to show up whenever you're told to and to keep your bond, and stay in touch with Mr. Finley. And you're waiving, so the case is going to go to the grand jury.
And there is a protection order.
And that protection will remain in fact to stay away from Spurlock.
Yes, Your Honor.
What do we do with the 396, the CRB?
I'm assuming the misdemeanor, Mr. Hill's being nollie to the grand jury?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Misdemeanor's nollie to the grand jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
Misdemeanor will be nollie to the grand jury.
Have a fallback.
Yeah, exactly.
He's already got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
State of Ohio recalls Taylor Bryan, case number CRB 23-112, CRB 20-112.
So you need to go back to RRS. About what?
Let me go see.
She tested positive for methamphetamine. Okay. You all don't do inpatient female anymore, do you?
No, we do not.
I see in the past, in April, she was recommended for inpatient treatment. She refused. So your choices are jail or go to inpatient. Who's, you have a medical card? Ohio? Okay. Where have you been for treatment before? At RRS, that's the only place?
But, at home, the one that drug tested, she said that she would do the assessment today and would take them today.
Okay, you want to go there?
Yeah, but you can't do it.
you, they're gonna do an assessment, and then they'll decide if they're gonna take it. They'll recall it after they do the assessment.
State of Ohio versus Joshua Turner, case number CRB 25420.
With Ms. Bryant.
She's gonna do an assessment and come back after she does the assessment.
Okay, so we'll recall her.
Sure, with those papers. Yes, sir, you're Joshua Turner
Yes, sir.
from Waterloo?
Yes, sir.
Well, Mr. Turner, you have a disorderly conduct charge. The good news is it's filed as a non-jailable variety. State's alleging that at Rome Township, well, I guess this happened at the fair, July the 10th, you recklessly cause inconvenience, annoyance, alarm to others by hindering, preventing movement of persons on public streets, road, highway, right-of-way, or interfered with the rights of others. So that's the maximum penalty for this is a $150 fine. And they also, well, the original said voluntarily intoxicated. Okay, how long have you been in jail? Since last night?
Yeah.
Going around.
Okay. What's County Road 14, what's that?
That's my house.
I know, what's the common name of that road? Okay.
Actually, it's called one of them burning, I think that's all of it's called Blue Buffalo. I don't know what it is.
You work?
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
I'm chief engineer on the river,
Who do you work for?
Amherst Medicine Control,
When you going back out?
Tuesday.
All right. He plays over.
You said it's not double.
Right, you're right. I'll just tell you, she's doing your entry.
Oh, okay, okay.
She need to know what your plea was. You have a right to make a statement to me if you want. Do you have anything you want to say?
No, I mean, it was just an argument between me and a wife and someone else. Butted in and I told them off, so I apologize for that.
Okay, $100 fine, court costs. We're going to be released from jail. All set.
Your Honor, he's got a pretrial coming up sometime, and I don't have it.
August 8th.
August the
Okay.
8th. Third
We'll
degree
set this
felony.
one for a review hearing on August the 8th. There's another case pending.
Okay.
August the 8th for review at 9 o'clock.
So how's the review if
If you pay it off, then you don't have to
Oh, okay.
worry about it. Review hearings is to make sure people do what they're supposed to.
Okay.
But believe it or not, I order people to do stuff, and sometimes they don't do it. And sometimes they don't come to the hearing. Then that's when they get a warrant, then they wind up wearing the orange again.
Yes,
So
I understand that.
just take care of it, you don't have to worry about it.
Yes, sir.
Now you gotta worry about this other case. But this one, take care of, and it'll go away. All you gotta do is pay your fine and court costs.
Thank you.
Okay, you're gonna get out.
Thank you, sir.
State of Ohio versus Jaden Redmond, case number CRB 22451. Set for sentencing today.
Is this somebody in the back? Or is it-
No.
Okay. Jaden Redmond. Okay, so apparently he lied the last time. He said he was gonna pay $100 and didn't, and he's not here today, so, there'll be, let's see, does he have a bond?
Your Honor, if I may, she's done community service. She was here one day last week.
She does have a bond, though. so I'll notify Mr. Sowers. All right, so warrant will issue for Jade Redmond. Bond forfeiture, August the 8th.
State of Ohio recalls Connie or Penny Burnside, case number CRA 25358.
He is not here, Your Honor.
Okay, so we waited, recall vote. It's not appeared, so there'll be a benchmark declared. And this is a felony. Do you want the warrant from here or send it on to the grand jury? This is a disruption of public services.
I believe we would be okay with a bond, or a warrant from here.
Bench warrant will issue from this court, failure to appear.
All right, thank you.
State of Ohio versus Glenn Gibson Jr., case number CRB 10-1078 A and B, TRC 10-2422 A, B, and C.
All right, Mr. Gibson is, I believe, making payments. Yes, it was.
I paid everything off.
Today. And the only thing left to do is your community service.
Yes, sir.
Okay. August 15th will be your next hearing. Percent.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Jeremy Gunter, case number CRB 15539.
This is set for sentencing. It's paying off funds. And you made a payment June 30th. Do you have anything to pay today?
That's already paid off, isn't it? I paid $248 less.
Well, I'm not showing that file. What's the clerk showing?
Yes, Your Honor, it's paid off. That was not updated apparently because it was on the sentencing docket rather than the reviews and that one.
Okay, your case is completed.
All right.
You get it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Ritter Zampano Chavez.
Just have a seat, sir. We're going to get the interpreter on the phone. We don't have it on the phone yet.
We got more charges coming.
And you speak Spanish?
She's got that.
Habla español?
Sí.
This is this. I did too.
Okay, so I'm going to recall, is it Aisha Napier? Aisha Napier. All right, she filed this herself, not Mr. Wilford. So,
I have a case number on.
case number is 24354. Did you serve this on the prosecutor, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
Did you serve your application on the prosecuting attorney?
I was advised by legal aid to just fill out the paperwork and then bring it to the courthouse. And the courthouse was to notify the prosecutor and my attorney that I was filing. That's what they told me.
Now, you have to serve it on the prosecuting attorney, and then there's a 45-day waiting period. When did you file this? May 19th.
And I can't say when, even if that's the case, we always do serve a copy on the prosecutor when we get it. When we set up the hearing date, we serve them with a notice of hearing.
Is the prosecutor aware of this, or?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. But I would like to be able to check with my assistants to see if we've received it.
So you're seeking to seal or expunge a domestic violence charge that would look like it was nollied at some point.
Yeah, it was dropped and dismissed.
If it was, then we...
And it was a misdemeanor one. In that case, I was actually the victim. I protected myself against a 6'1", 270-foot man, and I ended up in jail with domestic charges because he called the cops. Because I hit him back after he literally beat the crap out of me. However, you know, prior to this incident, I've worked in customer service, more so on the call center side, making 18 or more an hour. I can't get a job anywhere. It is hindering my financial life. You know, I can't take care of myself and 2 kids on $10 an hour. And it's completely impossible. And I mean, every job that I've applied for in any kind of field, I'm immediately rejected once they do a background check.
Because of this, or?
Yep.
Okay, what's the state's position on it?
If it was a dismissal, Your Honor, we don't have any opposition to the granting of her petition.
Okay, there is a dismissal on file. All right, I'll doctor up your judgment entries and file them. There's some stuff that needs to be filled in, so I'll take a look at it, and we'll get it filed.
All right.
You're free to go.
All right, so I get like notification in the mail or?
If you want to, I'm going to do it today. If you want to wait around and get a copy, you can.
Oh, yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
There's a whole process that we have to do. We normally mail it or send it, so she can get a copy of that today, but she'll also get mailed.
Okay, no, I was just checking to make sure, I know this isn't pertaining to the court, but my son had a non-fatal drowning on Saturday and he has a follow-up with his doctor today.
I will go to that, that's more important.
Oh, no, I have time, I just didn't know how, you know what I mean, like if it.
It'll be a while.
It'll get processed, but it'll be available.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Good.
State of Ohio recalls Renner Chavez.
Okay, so we now have an interpreter on the line with us, supplied by the Ohio Supreme Court. Could you identify yourself, please?
This is David, ID 247721.
All right, David, thank you for that. And this is an arraignment on a traffic charge. So, in the gentleman's name, the defendant is Brainer Chavez. Would you tell Mr. Chavez that, and this is a minor misdemeanor, that he's charged with improper passing, that is a minor misdemeanor, the maximum penalty is a $150 fine?
Muy bien, hola señor Reiner Chávez, voy a hacer su interpretación, gusto atenderle. Y bueno, esto es por paso impropio, es básicamente un delito menor con una multa máxima de $150.
Okay.
pero le puedo decir que yo no estoy de acuerdo porque no pasé en la línea. No hice el...
Por repetición, un momento, ¿me puede repetir y hablar más fuerte que casi no se le escucha?
Can you repeat that? Ok, entiendo eso, pero que
¿Puede
no,
repetir?
ok, que estoy de acuerdo, pero no estoy de acuerdo, entiendo, pero no estoy de acuerdo porque no pasé en la línea continua amarilla. Yo esperé para hacer el paso adecuado como se corresponde.
Okay, I understand, but I don't agree. Defendant passed the double line, continuous yellow line. I waited to make the pass as it is.
Okay, please tell him that I'm going to enter a not guilty plea for him.
Muy bien, le voy a honrar una declaración de no culpabilidad.
Okay.
I am going to set it for a trial, and what would be the next traffic court trial date?
Double check, the 22nd.
Okay.
Voy a configurar eso para un juicio,
Is that
permítame.
a good date?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go?
August the 12th.
I'm going to set it for trial on August the 12th at 4 p.m.
Lo voy a poner para juicio para el 12 de agosto a las 4 de la tarde.
Muchas gracias.
Does he have any questions?
No,
¿Alguna pregunta?
aquí tenía, no, pero aquí tenía pruebas de donde había hecho el paso y todas esas cosas.
No, but I brought proof for when I made the pass and everything.
Could you repeat that?
No, but I brought the proof for where the incident occurred.
Okay, he needs to bring that on August the 12th and any other proof that he has if he has witnesses.
Sí, esto debe de traerlo el 12 de agosto, de cualquier prueba que tenga, tráigalo ese día.
Thank you. Luego.
Okay. August 12th at 4 p.m. for trial. Thank you, David, for your translating.
Of course, take prisoner services. Have a nice day.
You too. Hopefully they work after 4 o'clock. Although I think he understands a lot more English than he lets on.
State of Ohio versus Diego Perpusic, I believe is the correct pronunciation. He's in Alden, Water. Case number TRC 251694. They told me he speaks English.
And sir, are you Diego Perpusic? Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Diego Perpuac.
Perpac? And you speak English,
A
correct?
little bit, but
Very little. It's very little.
Un poquito?
yeah.
Can I have a case number, Your Honor?
Case number is 251694. And he's going to have a holder? Yeah. So probably it's not going to make any difference, but we'll go ahead. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to say anything. You have a right to have a lawyer. You have a right to have one appointed if you can't afford one. You have a right to make the state prove any charge beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand those things? Okay. You're charged with drunk driving, driving while intoxicated. You understand that's the charge? The state's saying that July the 8th, that was 3 days ago, July the 8th, 3 days ago, at 8:06 p.m. in Fayette Township on US 52, driving on US 52. You were stopped. The officer gave you a breath test and you tested 19, so that's over the limit. The limit's 8 and you tested 19. So the maximum penalty for this is 6 months in jail, $1,075 fine, 3-year license suspension. That's the most that can happen. Most that can happen. There is a minimum, so the least I can give you if you're found guilty is 3 days in a treatment program, $375 fine, 6-month license suspension. Now, do you understand this charge? Drunk driving, do you understand what that means?
Yeah.
How do you plead to it? You can plead not guilty, guilty, no contest.
Guilty.
Guilty? That means you're admitting you were drunk and driving.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead, I'll read what the officer says. It says, July the 8th at 8:43 p.m. I was dispatched to the parking lot of Walmart because of an impaired driver. I arrived at 8:49, observed evidence of demonstrated white sedan knocked down a Walmart parking lot sign, and then struck a concrete barrier at the edge of the parking lot. The sedan was damaged. I proceeded to respond to the Tres Hermanos parking lot where deputies were with the occupant of the wrecked vehicle. Deputy Show, performing the driver, had a key on his person, walked from the crash to Tres Hermanos. Deputy asked me to administer field sobriety tests. I made contact with the driver, Diego Perpak. While speaking with Mr. Perpak, I observed his eyes were bloodshot, speech slurred, strong odor of alcohol coming from his person. Asked him if he crashed his vehicle. He replied that he had, and that I could take him to jail if I wanted to. I asked him if he had anybody else in the car with him. He said his little guy was with him. While speaking with him, he seemed he was able to converse and comprehend English. He later advised me his passenger was a minor. The minor was identified as Diego Gomez, date of birth August 29, 2012. I asked him if he would perform sobriety tests. Asked him if he had an ID. He said he lost his ID. On top of the deputy's patrol car was his wallet, phone, and keys, along with a receipt for a $5 Michelob Ultra from the Barbersville Mall. Dave and Buster's dated July 8th at 5:30. Gave him HGN test, that's the eye test for alcohol. And six clues on the eye test. Walk and turn test. He doesn't say how many clues, but he says he walked off the line, held his arms up, incorrect number of steps. Portable breath test was given, but he didn't want to do it. He was taken to the post and gave a breath test and tested 192. The minor was transported to Cavalry Hospital for precautionary measures. Doesn't say why. No insurance, it doesn't look like. state's position?
Well, I'm assuming that it would be a first offense, and I don't know how many days
He's been in since the 8th, so he's been in 3 days.
So we would suggest that that's probably adequate as far as the incarceration time. We might get a suspended jail sentence, but I guess he's got a holder on him from a
He's got a
federal
holder
authority.
from ICE, I think.
So we don't really take any position other than that.
Do you have anything you want to tell me about this? You don't have to say anything, but you can make an explanation if you want, or tell me what you want to tell me. The thing is that I've seen, because I've had other people like this, you got a holder from ICE, so that's probably going to trump everything. It doesn't matter what I do. If they want to come and get you, they're just going to come and get you. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm going to sentence you to time served, which means you've already done your jail time, but they still have a holder on you, so you can't get released till they say it's okay for you to get released. I'm not going to set a bond. You're going to be finished with me, but that doesn't release you because they trump what I do. You know, they say, no, we want him held there, and then you have to stay in jail till they come and deal with you. And usually it's pretty quick. Yep. So I don't know what will happen on that. I don't know. Are you here on a visa? Do you have papers?
No, but I'm still working on it.
Well, it's probably going to be a problem for you, but I don't have any control over that. That's in the, you know, we got a state system and a federal system. That's in the federal system. This is the state court, so I don't have any control over what they do. Okay, so on your OBI, it's a high test score, so I'm going to impose a $700 fine. Are you living here in Lawrence? It says Ashland. You've been living in Ashland?
I'm living in
Where?
In Ashland.
In Ashland, okay. Well, if you stay around, you're going to have to pay this fine and court costs. I don't know what will happen though with your immigration status. You know, they may remove you from the country, and if you don't come back, it won't be a problem. If you come back, you're going to have to take care of this stuff. Okay, so $700 fine, court costs, license suspension for 6 months, 20 days in jail, suspend 17. I give you credit for 3 days you've already served. Review hearing January 16th of next year, the 26th, January 16, 2026. So if you stay, if you come back to this, if you're in this area, you either have to finish all this or come in for a hearing on January 16th to explain to me what you're doing. Or otherwise there'll be a warrant issued. That's an order for your arrest. He has to go to the drug intervention program. You have to go to, there's a 3-day school you have to go to. That's mandatory. When you have a high test score and you already got the jail time. So that jail time part's done, but you still have to do the 3-day school. Okay, I think 30 hours community service too. Any questions, sir? Okay, good luck to you. That's all.
Just BKs.
What was it?
Oh.
That's not it.
That's not it. Well, it won't come up.
That's the only thing on my ticket. Yeah.
Okay.
State of Ohio recalls Austin Hawthorne, case number CRA 2357, CRB 2358.
Okay. So what are you doing now? What's your plan, Austin?
Well, I have my own house in Williamsburg. I work, and I have my daughter 3 days a week.
Where are you working?
I just work at McDonald's on Rosemount,
Okay, full-time or part-time?
full-time.
Are you gonna do any more treatment? Are you done with treatment?
Well, I actually just talked to Tarvin about coming back to outpatient because I left because I had some car troubles and stuff. But I had planned on doing a CDL course that I heard about with them, so I'm gonna go talk to them about that Monday or Tuesday.
Okay, I'm gonna order you to outpatient with the counseling center
Okay.
and set your next hearing for August 22nd. It'll be reviews.
So the felonies.
We'll just keep it pending.
Okay. So it's still at 9 for review.
Yeah. Hold it over your head. Okay, August the 22nd.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio recalls Joe D. Bowles II, case number CRE 2512, CRB 25744.
Okay, so we're going to try to contact Pike County and see what their wishes are.
Yes, Your Honor. So I was able to get in contact with their court. Apparently, the warrant was issued by probation, and there was also issued a charge for escape. So they are wanting him returned without release to treatment first.
Well, so how do you want to proceed on this, Mr. Bowles? Here's your choices. You can say, I want to have a hearing about this and decide, make a decision that I'm ordering you to go to Pike County. That's option number one. Now, option number two is you can say, I'll voluntarily go up there, clear this up, and then I'll give them a time frame which they have to come pick you up. You want to have a hearing?
No, the report that is being signed.
You're going to agree to waive it then?
That's what I do that.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
So I'm going to give them a week to pick you up. So they're to do it by July the 18th at 8 a.m. So they can be notified who's available now to be picked up. If you're not picked up, I'm going to see, well, I won't be here, but the judge is sitting next Friday. We'll see you at 10 o'clock next Friday and decide what to do with you, whether to release you or what to do with you.
All right. Thank you.
We'll be here.
Thanks for checking on that.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. So, and I'll give him an OR bond so he, on my charge, so he can go to Pike County. So whenever you get that cleared up, you'll have to come back here. They'll set it for $1,000 or sign. Put it next behind there, where that X.
Is that next Monday or next Friday?
Next Friday. So I'm going to give you a date out in the future so that you got to show up for here. Let's make it go into September. September 5th, the first Friday in September.
Yeah, they gonna get them. Last time they didn't show up, but I ain't gonna say they ain't gonna do this time.
We'll see, we'll find out. Okay, that's all. Then Judge Green's will be here Friday, and he'll see, and then decide whether to release him or what to do with him.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, we're waiting on completion of 2 charges, one for here and one that's in jail. And we're waiting on Taylor Bryan's assessment. I think she was supposed to get an assessment, I think we're waiting on there.
Yeah.
And I haven't heard anything yet.
They're still back there. They assessed her back here.
Okay.
And they were approved or denied.
Okay. We'll recall, we'll take a little break and when they're ready. Court's in recess.